AI-powered respiratory self-screening. WAYMED Cough. No matter who you are or where you're at, you can easily screen your respiratory system with the smart application of WAYMED Cough. By analyzing the sounds of your cough, breathing, and voice, its artificial intelligence quickly offers information on your respiratory conditions. WAYMED Cough is easy to use with its simple and kind tutorial for users of all ages, from children to elders who are vulnerable to respiratory diseases. Easy to use for all users with its intuitive summary of information. Your beacon of respiratory health, WAYMED Cough. Easily check and manage your respiratory health with your smartphone. WAYMED Cough.